This call is now being recorded.
So can anyone tell me from the next session to kindly remind me for the recording also? I am getting forgotten over here. So if your people are awareness about this recording, you just inform me while starting the session from the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes,
So yes. So again I will explain you. So be patient and be. If you understand also not a problem, you just listen over here. So for this 12 lines of code, it will give you a huge difference in your university exams also. So yes, so now the first one as a algorithm will start the process. So first the algorithm will start the process, and second point it will be read the total number of elements in a list as n. So now I am reading n is equal to 3. So what are the three values? So what are the three values? 5, 3, and 9 are given. So 5 will be represented in the first place, the 3 will be represented in the second place, 9 will be represented in the third place. So this is the first thing that we want to do to find out the minimum of number. And step number 3, read the first element as E. So here the first element will be 5. So we are initializing the E value is equal to 5. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And coming to the fourth point, here we are assigning the minimum variable, minimum as a variable. Here you can assign n number of things. If you are assigning A is equal to E, that's also fine. Then this A will become here to verify the condition further. So here this is the program for find out the minimum of numbers. So I am saying min is equal to E. So here minimum value will be again 5. Fine. So in the fifth step, we are going with the set I is equal to 2. Why here I have mentioned 2 is already we have taken the first element, so we want to compare the remaining element starting from 2. So that's why I have taken set I is equal to 2. So clear as of now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the sixth point, if I is greater than n, go to step 11, else go to step 7. So this is the concept. What is the I value now? 2 is greater than 3. The condition will be false, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what you want to do? Go to step 7. So step 7, read the I element as E. So what is the I element? Second element I is equal to 2. So the second element you want to read as E. So the second element will be 3. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now coming to the 8th point, if E is less than minimum, then set min is equal to E. So what is the E value now? 3 is less than minimum, that is 5. Then set minimum equal to E. So this condition will be satisfied. So we want to set the minimum equal to E, that is 3. So now the E will become 3. Set the point. Now the minimum value will become 3 over here. So you understand the 8th point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the 9th step, that is I is equal to I plus 1. So I already is 2, so 2 plus 1. So it will become 3. Go to step 6. So it will move to step 6. So here I is 3 and n is 3. Condition?
False.
False, sir.
So again what we will do, go to the step 7 process. So step 7, read ith element as E. So what is the third element? I is equal to 3, so we want to calculate the third element. So what is the third element?
9, sir.
It will be 9. So now the E has been changed to 9. And if E is less than minimum, then set mean is equal to E. So here the E value is 9 and minimum value that we are changing here is 3. So the condition will be 9 less than 3.
False.
False.
False, sir.
So it will be incremental, one increment process will be there. So I already have it. So 3 plus 1. So it will go here and 4 is less than 3. Condition will be
True, sir.
true. So it will make true and this statement will be executed. Go to step 11 process and step 11 print minimum value. So finally we have one minimum value that is 3. So this 3 will be printed over here. So what is the concept of this program? To find out the minimum value. So in this 5, 3 and 9, the minimum value is 3. That will be printing in the output. So this is the process. This is the step-based algorithm. This is an algorithm to find out this concept. So if you are having any queries, you just ping me or unmute yourself and ask in which part you are having the doubt. I hope so.
Sir,
Yes.
why will take I is equal to I plus 1, sir?
Pardon?
Why we should take I is equal to I plus 1?
So we want to increment the process, right? Here, first you have check. So first what we have done is I is equal to 2. We have fixed it here. First you have to compare this 2 and again this is an I process. So I is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Then the increment process will happen. Want to be happen here to find out this line also. To compare this line with this statement. So for that purpose we are incrementing the I plus 1 till the n minus 1 concept. So you want to compare all the numbers in a list. So that's why we are assigning that I is variable in what to tell you. Variable. If you are giving a slot, this is the first, second, and third slot, and taking second slot and comparing the first slot because we have taken the first value over here, and we are comparing the second value. Anyhow, you have to compare the third value also. So for that third value, the process will be that you want to increment the I value to compare all those values. If you are having 10 and 2, if you are having 2 more numbers over there, then the loop will be executed another 2 times to get terminated. And after terminating, it will produce the result in the final state. That 2 is the minimum value. To find out all the numbers in a list, we want to we have assigned the I second value as an I because first value we have taken as E. So we want to find out all the values. So we are incrementing the I E after executing the if part statement. So this is the concept.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, if you are having any doubts, I will give you 2 minutes time. Sorry, I will give you the time has already gone. So I will give you a minute time. If you are having any queries in a particular step, or if you want to retake this all the steps, you just ping me or unmute yourself and ask me. I'm again telling that if I am going with this, I'm going to second unit in a programming, but I won't never explain you this and that. I will go with purely programming codes. So these are all the basics to how to find out the if statement, else statement, and incremental states that turned out. So in the increment part, you just imagine that how the increment part will be worked out. If you are doing the recharge for your mobile, so it will take the validity of 58 days or 28 days or something it will be. So each and individual day has been left out. Then the incremental or decremental process will be happening there. In the final 58th day, what will happen is your outgoing and incoming will be barred. So if the condition has been true, the incoming and outgoing call may be going inside or outside. If the condition is false, the incoming and outgoing activities or net activities will be blocked. So the increment will happen till the 29th day or 59th day, whatever, that will be based on your plans. So this is on real-time example. If suppose you are asking us why we are going with I plus 1 or I plus 2, something like that. So this is one of the concept also why we are using an incremental part. So the PowerPoint is visible right now? No?
Visible, sir.
Okay. So yes, these are the algorithm, whatever that was code has written here, I was mentioned in the board. I will share the slide after this class, and you just you write the code in a paper and give the n value and give the n number of values, and you can substitute each and individual part in the paper, then you will get a clear idea about that. And this is the pseudocode for finding out the minimum number of minimum element in a value. That's whatever we have mentioned in an algorithm, that was mentioned here also. So first we want to collect the n numbers, and first element want to be mentioned as e, and set the min is equal to e, and set I is equal to 2. So I is less than or equal to n. So I is less than or equal to n. So the condition has been different. I have mentioned that I is greater than or equal e greater than n. Here that was mentioned as I is less than or equal to n. So these two statements also will give you the same result. And ith element as e, and if e is less than min, then set min is equal to e. So if you are starting if condition, then you want to close this end if also, and increment I by 1, and again the I statement will be executed. Once the while statement has been dropped, then it will print the minimum value in the list as min. So this is a pseudocode for finding out the elements. I will share it with you, and you just go with that. Kindly spend 1 hour per day for this, and it will be useful to you. Don't see when the exam has been started. If I am taking class this, and in case if you are having time, you just spend 1 hour for this rest of the day. And the flowchart is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
if it is not clear, you just download in your mobile. There's a particular flowchart, and it will be getting the flowchart also. And the flowchart in the sense what the process will be happening over here, and how the process will be executed, as we have mentioned in an algorithm. Same whatever we have mentioned in an algorithm, in the flowchart also will be in the same condition.
There is an error in the flowchart, sir.
You can't able to view the flowchart.
Yes, sir. There is an
Visible,
error.
sir. Visible.
Okay, I will share you the flowchart along with you. I will share you the flowchart in WhatsApp. You just go with the flowchart. First, you take the paper and write the algorithm and give you your own example. And after that, you will go to the pseudocode and flowchart. Then it will be very clear about that. So in the algorithm part, you just whatever I have mentioned and written in the board. Likewise, you can take n number of n numbers, and you can compare these all the numbers, and you will find out the minimum value. And after finding the minimum value, you will go with the flowchart. Then you will get a 100% clear idea what is happening there. Clear?
So there is an error in the flowchart, sir.
What is an error?
In fourth step, sir. Fifth step, sir.
What is that?
If I less than n, sir.
If I less than n, I want to mention as greater than. Yes. Yes. So no. If I less than n, it will go to step level. If the condition is satisfied, it will go to step level. So no. If I less than n, it will go to step level. If the condition is satisfied, it will go to step level. So what I have mentioned is you just clear with the algorithm and flowchart. What I have mentioned in an algorithm is I is Greater than n, go to step 11. Here what is mentioned is I is less than n, go to step 11. The condition is yes. Sorry, it will be the condition is wrong over here. Kindly change it out the algorithm part. The decision making will be wrong. The less than symbol want to be there. You just change that. And if you are clear with an algorithm, you can find out some of the error also. That was clear. Sorry for that. So you can clear that statement, right? So, or else I want to clear this and I want to send to you.
Yes, sir.
I will share with you. If possible, you can clear that, or else I will share with the clear statement also. So,
Okay, sir.
yes. So before that, I have given 3 assignment problems in the previous class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So kindly make this as your 4th assignment, 4th problem in assignment number 1. So same problem, the only one changes has occurred there. Write an algorithm flowchart and pseudocode for finding out the largest of number in a list. We have discussed about the smallest number. Only one condition will be changed there. In case of minimum, you want to make maximum. Only one condition you want to change and one decision making you want to change in a whole problem. That is, wherever I used minimum, you want to change as maximum. Wherever I use less than, you want to use greater than. Wherever I use greater than, then you want to use the less than symbol. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So make this as assignment number 1, 4th problem. So wait a minute. So make this. Have the code has been visible to you? Kindly zoom it out the code.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So don't get panicked that. So whatever we have discussed in this class around 1 hour, 40 minutes or 30 minutes. So the Python code will be only for 4 lines. So it will be only for 2 lines maybe. So you all heard about the sorting techniques. Sorting.
No, sir.
No, the sorting in the sense, if I am giving a particular problem to you, then all were using the MS Office, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in MS Office, if you are having n number of lines, then you want to sort out those lines in an alphabetic order. I will share in some other screen with you. The screen is visible there. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is this? This is your name list actually. So if you are giving in a chat box, it will consider it as a name list. And what we want to do, if you are not giving the attendance by alphabetic order, then you are giving a random wise attendance over there. And what I want to do is, I want to take that attendance from your side, and I want to list out in alphabetic order. So what we want to do is we want to select all those things, and here we having a symbol to convert from A to Z. That in ascending or descending. Ascending in the sense it will consider from A to Z, and descending in the sense it will consider from Z to A. So this is a concept of sorting as text or a number. So when I am giving a descending option, it will consider from last roll number, last alphabetic to first alphabetic, that is A. If I am giving as ascending order, then it will produce from A to Z. So the first name will be Arrow Purnisha and last name will be Wasing. So A to Z it will be there. So this is a concept for sorting the numbers or a text. So same concept has been used there. So same concept has been used here. That is, I am collecting the list of numbers here in an array. So I am not using an array word in your algorithm. And here list1 dot sort option has been used there. So sorting in the sense it will arrange from 1 to smallest to largest. So that is a sort option technique. So print small element is star list1 of, in the list the first element want to be print. So first what will the process will be happen here, it will sort the number like 4, 10, 20, 45 and 99. In that sorting, the first element what we have mentioned is 4. So the 4 will be giving you the output. So that is the concept of this lines of code. I will share this lines of code with you, and if you are able to do this online editor method, then it will be very nice. I am not asked you to give the attendance. Why you are people are giving the attendance right now? Just wait here. When I am telling to give your attendance, you can give the attendance also. So this is the lines of code. And this is the link for the online editor. So wait for another 2 minutes. I will share one of the Google form to you. You just fill out the Google form.
Yes, sir.
It will take only 2 minutes, at least 1 minute it will take, I hope so. You just fill out the Google form. That is a pre-analysis review over there. So take this link and you can fill the form. And before going to fill the form, you just give the attendance and you can move off. If you are having any doubts, you just stay back over here. Before going to fill this form, give your attendance and you can fill the form and you can write off. If you are having any queries, stay back and I will explain you the finding the minimum of numbers. If you are not having any queries, just give the attendance and click the link and fill the form also. I will post you in a group also, in a WhatsApp group also.